How does the journey of a data analysis look like? Or how does the journey of a data analyst look like? So they start with Excel analysis, then they move towards more and more sophisticated tools and ideas. Now, when we use Excel when the data size is small and we need an intuitive and easy to use interface or a tool. Now, when do we move from Excel based analysis to database analysis? So, when I say database, what I mean is you go to the realm of SQL, Python, R, programming languages, and all those jazz. So, what is the unique idea of these database query languages? So, you have large data size, and it's like you are storing your data in some kind of an environment which is amenable for large data size storage, and then you try to take out the data from that storage space, and that is where your programming languages like SQL come into play. In the initial stages you use SQL and programming languages like SQL, so they are a notch below Python or R or C or C++, but still they are similar to programming, but they are slightly more sophisticated than your Excel based analysis. They are slightly less intuitive than Excel, but yes, they get a lot of job done. It's a tool which is used very widely in a lot of data analysis. And then comes the data analysis for your statisticians or data scientists or machine learning engineers, and then they use Python and R. And the thing with Python and R is that they still are programming languages, but they are very different from each other. So Python is used by people who are like transitioning from SQL based language to Python for data analysis, data query, and data manipulations. Now, people who want to transition from Excel, R is a better way because R gives you a more intuitive approach for data analysis. R also can handle data as Python can handle. So, everything which Python can do, R can do. But R is more intuitive, it's more amenable for statisticians or people who are already expert in Excel or some kind of a skill in Excel. And based on the data size, based on the nature of work requirement, based on the type kind of interface you require, that decides what will you use and when will you use. So these are like the stages of data analysis for a data analyst.